Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will take a closer look at Phoenix Wallet, which is a leading Bitcoin and Lightning Network wallet for mobile users. So if you are considering using Phoenix Wallet in 2025, this review will highlight its features, benefits, and what makes it unique. So without further delay, let's dive in. Phoenix Wallet is a non-custodial mobile wallet that simplifies Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. It is developed by ACINQ. It focuses on offering a seamless experience for users who want the benefits of both the Bitcoin network and the fast, low-cost Lightning network. If I talk about its pros and its features, so Phoenix Wallet stands for its native Lightning network integration because it enables users to send and receive Lightning payments instantly while also supporting the regular on-chain Bitcoin transactions, all from a single wallet. Phoenix Wallet is designed with simplicity in mind, so whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, the interface makes sending and receiving Bitcoin very easy and intuitive. As a non-custodial wallet, Phoenix ensures users retain full control over their funds and private keys, and it also includes the features like encrypted backups for added security. Phoenix Wallet simplifies the complexities of transaction fees by handling them automatically. Unlike some Lightning wallets, Phoenix eliminates the need for the users to open or manage the payment channels. The wallet handles everything in the background, making it convenient for all the users. Phoenix Wallet is available on both iOS and Android, offering the broad accessibility for mobile users. Now, let's just talk about some of its cons. So, it is the Bitcoin and Lightning only, so you will not get support for other altcoins, and you will also get its mobile version, so there is no desktop or the browser extension version available. So in my opinion, Phoenix Wallet is good choice for those who want a simple and efficient way to manage Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. Its native Lightning support, user-friendly interface, and strong security makes it a standout wallet for 2025. However, if you are looking for the altcoin support or a desktop wallet, you might need to explore other options. And I have created a series of all the wallets that are available out there, so you can explore them on my channel. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.